If you're looking for a short-term rental or a second home in Panama City Beach, there are a couple of key elements you want to look for. Of course, you want something that's close to the water, and you want something in excellent condition. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and today I've got a phenomenal one for you. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, far west end of the beach, literally 72 steps. I just counted them from the end of the steps to the beach access. Let's go take a look. All right, here we are on the first level. Open concept here, so living, dining, kitchen are all connected. Half bath up front, there's even room for a sleeper on this floor. What I didn't tell you earlier, this is coming fully furnished, so everything you see will convey with the sale. All right, here we are on the second level. Remember what I mentioned earlier, that we're always trying to find something in good condition and close to the beach? Well, you see we have close to the beach taken care of, but what I didn't mention is that the vast majority of this home has just been renovated right in the last couple of months. On this floor, 2 bedrooms sharing a Jack and Jill bath and a laundry. All right, here on the third level, 2 more bedrooms sharing another Jack and Jill bath, and the best part, you have beautiful, beautiful Gulf views right off the balcony. All right, there you have it, 109 Palm Beach Drive on the far west end of Panama City Beach. Again, I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. If you want to make an appointment to see this in person or want some more information, just give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-527-0221. Thanks for watching.